Nagiging mahinang nilalang na nga ba ang mga Gen Z? Tara, tignan natin. This is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
May nadaanan akong post. Sabi dito, NU Laguna is a worst school. Nakatag pa yung Commission on Higher Education. Ngayon, tignan natin kung bakit niya nasabing worst school daw ang NU Laguna. Almost 30 psychology students from NU Laguna are delayed on graduation just because they didn't pass a mock board exam. Oh, hindi ka pala pumasa. Anong gusto mong gawin ng school? Pagbigyan ka, hindi ka nga pasok doon sa standards ng dapat graduate. Bakit parang kasalanan ng school ngayon na hindi ka pumasa doon sa standards nila? What kind of system is this, NU Laguna? Instead of giving support or remedial options, students are being told to retake the whole subject. Just like that, no second chances, no consideration, no compassion. After everything we've done, this is how you treat us? Well, in the real life, it's either you make it or not. You pass or you fail. There's no awa, there's no remedial in real life. So, now that you are being trained on what real life consequences are, you get to act like a kid? Come on, grow up. If you fail, it's on you. You need to learn how to improve or what lessons can you actually get from that failure. Hindi yung magre-reklamo kayo kasi hindi kayo pumasa doon sa standards ng school nyo. Not everyone will even take the board exam. Let that sink in. You're delaying the graduation of students who might not even need to take the board. Kesa naman palabasin ng school yan into the real world. Nang hindi pa sila handa. Nang kulang-kulang yung kaalaman nila. Magpo-produce yung school ng mga kamote. Gusto nyo ng mga mediocre na products na manggaling dyan sa school nyo? Gusto nyo ng mga half-hearted products, employees na manggaling dyan sa school nyo? Ang hirap kasi sa inyo, hindi na nga kayo pumasa doon sa standards ng school nyo, imbis na ang sisihin nyo yung sarili nyo for not making the standards na sinet, ang sisisihin nyo ngayon yung standards. Kaya nagiging kamote yung Pilipino eh. Kaya dumadami yung mediocre na Filipino. Kasi imbes na mag-adjust kayo dun sa standards at galingan nyo, ang ibababa nyo, imbes na itaas nyo yung sarili nyo, yung standards. Ganyan na ba kakupal yung mga Gen Z ngayon? Ganyan na ba kababa? Kamangmang? Kaignorante yung mga Gen Z ngayon at hindi na nila kayang tumanggap ng failure? And use that failure to improve themselves? Yak, kadiri. Sabi pa dito, ang sakit-sakit nyo, 4 na taon na sinakripisyo naming lahat, yung stress, lahat ng pagod, effort, oras, araw na ginugol namin para hindi maging ireg, walang back subject, failing grade at makagraduate on time. Anong gusto nyong gawin ng school? Hindi nga umabot yung effort, yung time nyo at kung anumang ginugol nyo para ipasa yung standards. Diba? Hindi naman porket nagpuyat ka, hindi naman porket nag-aral ka, hindi ka naman porket hindi ka gumimik, matik papasa ka na. Hindi yun yung sukatan. Ang sukatan, yung grades ng exam mo. Numbers. Hindi yung emotions, hindi yung feelings, hindi yung mga sinakripisyo mo. Gets mo ba? Sabi niya dito, lahat ng hirap, sakripisyo namin, nasasayang at magiging basura na lang dahil sa mock board na yan. Anong gusto nyong gawin? Ipasa kayo for effort? Kadiri naman yung school nyo kung magiging ganun. Ano, ipasa kayo dahil nahirapan kayo? Di sana lahat na lang ng nahirapan pumasa. Kadiri yung mga standards nyo. Sobrang mediocre. Tapos magtataka kayo, bakit nagpa-plunge yung quality ng mga Pilipino sa Pilipinas? It's because also, ginusto nyo maging ganyan. Binaba nyo ng binaba yung standards hanggang sa maapektuhan na yung actual citizen kasi nga, kakababa nyo ng standards. Sabi dito, how are we supposed to tell our parents that we're not graduating? Not because we failed the subject, not because we didn't work hard, but because of a mock board exam. Then you tell it straight to them. Ma, pa, madedelay po ako ng graduation because I failed an exam. And that exam is a critical measurement para malaman kung ready na ba kaming lumabas doon sa institusyon na kung saan nagte-training kami. Anong gagawin nyo? Hindi nga kayo pasado. Diba? Gusto nyong ibaba yung standards ng school dahil lang sa nag-effort kayo? Kadiri, yak. This is how you become an adult. If you fail, own it. Improve yourself, not degrade the standard. Huwag mong i-adjust yung standard dahil lang sa nahihirapan ka, dahil that is mediocrity. And mediocrity will not produce anything good. And when the time comes that you made it, you will be proud regardless of how many failures you've committed, because when that moment comes, you deserve to pass. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.